Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking jam-packed in budget earbuds. It's called Tranya and the model number is F4. Yes, these guys are just keep getting better. This one equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, IPX5, which is sweat-proof and waterproof. It works with touchpad. We will show everything in this video, and also comes with 4 microphones, 2 on each earbuds. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out on both channels. And on top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And on top of that, click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. So here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with 2 different user manuals in 2 different languages, but they're exactly the same when you go through them. It does include 15 months of warranty on this. Now it comes with this charging cable. As you can see, one side is USB 2.0, the other side is USB Type-C, which is going to charge your headphones a lot faster. And then the docking station. It looks pretty cool. It has a little wrap around it that you can take off, and this is how the docking station really looks. Is cut really nicely, so it looks a lot better. And once you open the top, the earbuds are sitting inside, and we're going to take that a few seconds. There is a little LED indicator, and then the charging port is in the bottom. And when you go to the back, there's no writing. I like that little hinge, so when you open it, you can hear that it clicks properly. That means it is locked. And once you open and take the earbuds out, it's easily taken out, both sides, and the inside of it is designed really nicely too. And you can see they have the actual company name inside, and on the other side it talks about the FCC and if it is recyclable or not. But I like that little click that they have created for this. And then once you go to the earbuds itself, you can see that the headphone parts you can hear, and then you have the sensors, and when you go to the back there's the mic, and then when you go to the back it has their logo. And also it has the little sensor, so that way you can hear. And when you go to the bottom is the charging port. It is really designed nicely. And then once you go to the front, you can see everything is nicely done. And then same thing on the other side. As you can see, it is all set up really nicely the way that they have placed it. But I'm sure that you will figure it out once you hook it up. I like that it has a little writing right on top. It says R and L. So you know which one is right and which one is left. Now it is created very easily to charge it. You just have to make sure headphones are inside of your docking station and hook up the charger in the bottom, and you will see that little light will be blinking. That means it's now accepting the charge. Alright, time to pair the headphones with your phone. In this case, I'm using the Humidigi A7 phone. It's a little bit older, but it does the job for us perfectly. So for that, make sure that you scroll down from the top and you go to Bluetooth. And there you go. Now we will go through to hook up our headphones. So for that, we have to take one out. And you can see that the light is on and now it's blinking. That means, and now we can pair this with our phone. So in this case, we will click on pair new device. And it shows up as F4. We will select it and we have to give them allowance and say pair. It will take a couple of seconds and then it will connect, and you can see that light stopped blinking. And now we have 100% charge on this headphones and it is connected. So if we have to click on this little wheel, you can see that everything that is going to be connected with this is going to be your contact sharing, also audio and phone calls, and also if you want to listen to some music, this will really work for you. And I've said about it, let's go through and test this out. Here you go. Once it's started, we're going to grab the headphones and then we're going to tap on the back part of it. It should, there you go, you can see that it start going for the volume. Long tap. There you go, now it paused. And I gotta tap it again one time. It start playing it for us. So that means is the touchpad on the back works on it properly. You see that? I really like that this really works when you are going to play with your headphones. Now this one is the right one, as you can see, but it works perfectly. Now we're going to test out to see exactly how good the sound quality will be when you're talking on the headphones and we're going to record it on the phone. So this way you can hear it. Right now I'm talking through the actual camera, but I'm going to change it to the actual headphones so this way you can hear it properly. So let's go ahead and do that. So once it starts recording, as you can see, there is a little knob that goes up and down. So this way, you know exactly how this will sound. Now, I have to mention that I don't hear my own voice through the headphones, but it looks really cool from the earbuds, but it looks really cool that how this is really working. So I do not know exactly how good of a sound it really right now showing, or you can hear it on the video, but this is how it really works. Now, when I actually switch it back to this camera itself, you can hear it that there is a little bit of a difference, and yes, there was a little gap for me stopping and thinking of a word. And when I change it back to here, this is how it really sounds. So that way you know the exact difference between the earbuds and also from the camera itself. Now, playing with this earbuds, I really like it, the way that everything is put together. You have 4 mics, we already tested it, you already heard it, and on top of that, the actual earbuds, the way that it sits in your ear is perfect. And on top of that, when you're going for jogging or you want to sit down and listen to some music, it has it done perfectly. And on top of that, all the links will be available where you can order it from, except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.